You can now add a new Gmail address to your account and make it your main one without deleting the old one. Let me show you how it works. First, open Gmail. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. Then click Manage your Google account. From the left menu, go to Personal Info, click on Email, then select Google Account Email. If you see the option Change Google Account Email, that means the feature is available for you. Now enter your new Gmail address. Confirm it. And that's it. Your new address becomes your primary email. Your old Gmail address is not deleted. It still belongs to you. You can still receive emails on it. And you can even send emails from it if you want. So you're not replacing your account. You're basically adding a new main address. Important, you can only create a brand new Gmail address, like this, once every 12 months. If you get an error when sending emails from the new address, simply sign out and sign back in. That usually fixes it. So yes, you can officially retire your embarrassing Gmail era. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, and subscribe for more simple and powerful tech tutorials.